Alright, let's talk about something that's been on everyone's mind. How in the world is the stock market still thriving, even with all this economic uncertainty? I mean, think about it. Over the past year, we've seen government shutdowns, looming inflation hitting our wallets, and headlines screaming about recession risks. Yet, the stock market, it's been setting records. So, what's really going on here? First off, let's clear up a common myth. The stock market isn't the same as the economy. Sure, they're connected, but they don't always move together. Sometimes, Wall Street is partying while Main Street is sweating. One reason the market's held up is all about expectations. Investors look ahead, not just at today's problems. When it seemed like inflation was cooling off and the Federal Reserve hinted at possibly lowering interest rates, investors got excited. Lower rates mean cheaper borrowing for companies, and that often boosts stock prices. And then there's the AI boom, Nvidia, Microsoft, Google, that's pushed tech stocks to new heights, dragging the whole market up with them. But let's not forget, there's been a lot of uncertainty too. Government shutdowns, rising costs at the grocery store, even layoffs in some industries. You'd think all that would scare investors off. But here's the thing. The market loves to look for silver linings, even when there's bad news. If it's not as bad as people expected, stocks can actually go up. Plus, there's a ton of cash sitting on the sidelines. When investors see a dip, they often jump in to buy the dip, which props the market up even more. Now, does this mean stocks will keep going up forever? Not at all. The market can turn fast, and there are always risks. But if you're wondering why the stock market seems so strong while the news feels so shaky, it's all about looking forward, not back. So, next time you see headlines about economic doom and gloom, remember, the stock market has its own logic. It's driven by expectations, future bets, and sometimes just plain optimism. If you're investing, keep your eyes on the long game. Don't let the daily headlines throw you off. And as always, do your own research before making any big moves. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.